Hi, I'm Clare, Chief Asset Risk Officer at the Motability Scheme. I help set our lease prices so the money it costs to run the scheme matches the money coming in. When you lease a car on the Motability Scheme, it comes with our all-inclusive package. Insurance, breakdown cover, servicing and maintenance are all included. So what sets the lease price? Firstly, vehicle value over time. We buy the car and forecast what it will be worth at the end of your lease, so how much it depreciates, plus the cost of borrowing the money to buy it. Secondly, insurance. Motor insurance costs have gone up across the industry. According to the latest report, insurance premiums in the retail market were 43% higher in 2025 than 2021. And we need to plan for that across the full length of the lease, not just the year ahead. Thirdly, servicing, maintenance and tyres. Because upkeep is included, we factor in routine services, repairs and tyre replacements when we set prices, which is an important part of the support we give you. To put it into perspective, we spent £6.5 million on replacement brake pads in 2025 alone. We consider all those costs alongside your weekly mobility allowances to calculate the advance payment we set at the start of the lease. So why are things different now? Recent government tax changes are adding extra costs, around £300 million a year. And if we did nothing, average leases could become £1,100 more expensive. So we're working really hard to find savings and protect the all-inclusive package that keeps you moving. We'll continue to keep you updated through our dedicated change page as soon as we know more. And you can find this at motability.co.uk/changes.